Hey there guys, it's me Melody, and today I'll be showing you how I'm going to open my master combination lock. This lock has no key. This is the turner and this is the shackle. Let's get right to the video. I hope you enjoy. So my combination is 260418. So first it says, to open, turn right 3 times, stop at first number / letter. So I'm going to turn to the right 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to keep turning to my first number, 26. Now, next it says, to turn left 1 full turn, passing first number / letter, and stop at second number / letter. So this time, I have to turn to the left, and my number is 4. You turn 1 full turn, and then you stop at your second number. My last number is 18. It says to turn right and stop at third number / letter. Then you pull the shackle. So now we're going to turn right to number 18. And then we pop the shackle open. Ta-da! And there you go. That is how you open the master combination lock. It's not as hard as it seems, so I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you subscribe to our channel and that you come back and like this video. Thank you!